20 words that look exactly like English. None of them mean what you think. Word 1. Embarazada. It looks like embarrassed. It means pregnant. If you're embarrassed, say avergonzado instead. This is the single most famous false friend in Spanish, for a very good reason. Word 2. Constipado. It looks like constipated. It means having a cold. If you actually mean constipated, the word is estreñido. Telling a Spanish doctor, estoy constipado, when you mean the other thing, will send your treatment in a very wrong direction. Word 3. Éxito. It looks like exit. It means success. You will not find an éxito in an airport. You'll find la salida instead. Word 4. Actualmente. It looks like actually. It means currently, right now. If you want to say actually, use en realidad or de hecho instead. Word 5. Eventualmente. It looks like eventually. It actually means occasionally or possibly. If you mean eventually, say al final or con el tiempo. Word 6. Molestar. It looks like molest. It simply means to bother or to annoy. No me molestes just means don't bother me, nothing sinister. Word 7. Realizar. It looks like realize. It means to carry out or to accomplish something. If you mean realize as in understanding something, say darse cuenta instead. Word 8. Sensible. It looks exactly like sensible. It means sensitive. If you want to say someone is sensible, reasonable, use sensato instead. Word 9. Largo. Largo is a totally false friend. It looks like large, but it means long. If you mean large in size, use grande instead. Word 10. Librería. It looks like library. It means bookstore. An actual library is a biblioteca. Word 11. Asistir. It looks like assist. It means to attend an event. If you mean to help someone, use ayudar instead. Word 12. Pretender. It looks like pretend. It actually means to intend or to hope for something. If you mean pretend, use fingir instead. Word 13. Fábrica. Fa-bri-ca. It looks like fabric. It means factory. If you mean fabric, the cloth, use tela instead. Word 14. Carpeta. Carpeta. It looks like carpet. It means folder. If you mean carpet, the floor covering, use alfombra instead. Word 15. Ropa. Ropa. It looks like rope. It means clothes. If you actually mean rope, use cuerda instead. Word 16. Sano. Sa-no. It looks like sane. It means healthy. If you mean sane mentally, use cuerdo instead. Word 17. Suceso. It looks like success. It actually means event or incident. If you mean success, the word you want is éxito, the same word from earlier. Word 18. Introducir. It looks like introduce, as in introducing a person. In Spanish, it means to insert or to bring something in. If you mean introducing a person, use presentar instead. Word 19. Noticia. It looks like notice. It means news. If you want to say notice, as in to notice something, use notar or darse cuenta instead. Word 20. Actual. It looks exactly like actual. It means current or present day. If you mean actual, as in real or true, use real or verdadero instead. 20 words. All look familiar, all mean something completely different. Now you know which ones will actually get you in trouble. Subscribe for more real Spanish, the kind that saves you from embarrassing mistakes.